Just use the lead of a pen and you'll never pay to clean your sofa again. So guys, check this out. First, get a container, and in this container we're gonna add 2.5 cups of water. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of dishwasher. I'm using a neutral one, but you can use a ENT if you like. Let's go ahead and put 1 tablespoon here. Okay, dishwasher. And now let's give it a mix. And now let's add baking soda. Also 1 tablespoon. Everybody knows this product that's great for cleaning. It's very good. And now let's mix again until the baking solid solves. I'm also gonna use alcohol. I'm using 7%, but you can use others too. I'm gonna add half a liter of fabric softener, but like I said, this one is optional. Now, just mix everything well. Go ahead and grab a clean cloth. Then we're gonna dip in here in our mixture. Dip it all in the mix. However, we're not gonna leave it dripping, okay? Not too wet, so it's gonna drip all over the sofa. Let me take the excess off now. Take the wet cloth and put it here on the sofa and look. Grab the lead pretty easy now, just go ahead and place it in the center, then you're gonna do this. Look, go ahead and tie the edges here, and again here. Look, and that's how we're gonna hold it. And with this little hack, folks, we're able to clean the sofa much easier. Now just go ahead and scrub it like this. So look, you're gonna scrub it like this pretty. And you can notice that as I do. So it's getting cleaner already. Check it out. See how much dirty. Remove it already. I'm done here. And look at this. See how our cloth turn it out. It's the exact shape of the lid. So that's it. Try it at home, folks. This is a much better way. You don't have to scrub it with the brush anymore. The mixture is also very good. In addition to cleaning the sofa pretty well, it also leaves a nice smell due to the fabric softener. So go ahead and try this at home because I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it.